never do this. This man is playing with a laser with his girlfriend when suddenly he targets someone with his laser, but he doesn't know who that person is. I'll explain everything in this video. But before, don't forget that I can only protect those who have commented their first name, liked, and watched the video until the end. If you click on share and see a blue app, it means you are being spied on. The person who looks a bit strange is called Buddy, and he is one of the vassals of Kale and Kaylee, who are emissaries of a very powerful demon, as I explained in a previous video. But what he's going to do, he's going to regret because he has encountered the one person he should not have. Indeed, he can alter people's perception of him, meaning he can appear as a kind, adorable, or even benevolent person towards others, while his only goal is to harm those who come to his aid. If you see him, hide in a well-lit place surrounded by lots of people so that you don't get caught by him. But one thing is certain, someone else will pay the price for you.